It was supposed to be a routine patrol. The Russian naval ship moved steadily across dark waters, its radar systems scanning the horizon, its crew confident in their defenses. Far from the shoreline, far from danger, or so they believed. What they didn't know was that high above the waves, nearly invisible against the night sky, something was already watching them. Hundreds of kilometers away, Ukrainian drone operators were monitoring live feeds, their eyes locked on a single target. The ship wasn't just any vessel. It carried advanced systems, critical supplies, and symbolized Russia's dominance in these waters. Taking it out would send a message far beyond the battlefield. The first drone was launched quietly. No roar of jet engines. No warning sirens. Just a small, fast-moving shape cutting through the air, guided by satellite signals and real-time intelligence. The crew on the ship had no idea what was coming. At first, the radar operators noticed a faint blip. It was small, too small to be a missile, too slow to be a jet. They dismissed it as interference. A bird. Sea clutter. By the time they realized the truth, it was already too late. The drone descended rapidly, skimming just above the water's surface. Automatic defense systems attempted to lock on, but the signal was weak and unstable. Seconds later, a sharp explosion ripped through the side of the ship. Flames burst outward, lighting up the night sky. Alarms screamed across the deck. Crew members scrambled to their stations as smoke filled the air. Damage control teams rushed in, trying desperately to contain the fire. But that first strike was only the beginning. A second drone followed, then a third. These weren't random attacks. They were coordinated, precise, and relentless. Each drone targeted a vulnerable section of the ship: communications, radar, propulsion. One by one, critical systems began to fail. The ship slowed, then listed slightly to one side. Panic started to spread. Orders were shouted over crackling radios. Emergency protocols were activated. Lifeboats were prepared, though no one wanted to abandon ship. This vessel was supposed to be untouchable. Meanwhile, the Ukrainian operators remained calm. On their screens, they could see the chaos unfolding in real time. Thermal cameras showed rising heat. Sensors confirmed system failures. The plan was working. Then something unexpected happened. As the ship struggled to maintain stability, it sent out a distress signal. Nearby Russian vessels responded, altering their course to assist. Helicopters were scrambled from a nearby base. What had started as a silent drone strike was now turning into a full-scale emergency operation. But the drones weren't done yet. Another wave approached, smarter this time. These drones flew lower, using the sea's surface to mask their approach. Defensive guns fired wildly into the darkness, tracers lighting up the sky. One drone was hit and exploded mid-air, but others slipped through. A massive blast struck near the rear of the ship. The explosion knocked out power completely. The deck went dark. Without propulsion, the ship was now drifting, vulnerable, and burning. Thick black smoke poured into the sky, visible for miles. Inside the ship, conditions became unbearable. Fire suppression systems failed. Compartments flooded as damage control teams fought to keep the vessel afloat. Every second counted. From the Ukrainian side, confirmation was received: the target was neutralized. But then came the moment no one expected. As rescue units closed in, a sudden secondary explosion rocked the ship, far larger than the previous ones. Flames erupted from deep inside the hull. Analysts later suggested that stored ammunition or fuel reserves had ignited. That single blast changed everything. The ship began to sink. Slowly at first, then faster. Crew members were ordered to abandon ship. Lifeboats splashed into the water as helicopters hovered overhead, lowering rescue lines. The once powerful warship was now helpless, disappearing beneath the waves. For Ukraine, this wasn't just a tactical victory, it was a psychological one. The strike demonstrated something the world could no longer ignore: modern warfare had changed. Expensive ships, advanced defenses, and traditional naval power were now vulnerable to relatively low-cost, highly intelligent drones. Within hours, footage of the attack began circulating. Analysts broke down the strike frame by frame. Military experts called it a turning point. Social media exploded with debates, praise, and shock. Russia faced difficult questions. How could such a heavily defended ship be taken down so efficiently? What defenses had failed? And more importantly, how many other vessels were now at risk? For Ukraine, the message was clear. Innovation, strategy, and precision could challenge even the strongest forces. Drones had leveled the playing field. And this attack wasn't just about one ship. It signaled a new era of naval warfare, where the skies above the sea are just as dangerous as the waters below. Where unseen operators hundreds of kilometers away can decide the fate of massive warships with a few calculated commands. As the sun rose the next morning, debris floated where the ship once sailed. Rescue operations continued. Investigations began. And military planners around the world took notes. Because after this strike, nothing was the same. The oceans were no longer safe. And everyone knew, it could happen again.